Hi, I'm Alan and I'd like to teach you a 4-wall line dance turning to the left called Jerusalema by Master KG. This line dance and song became famous in 2020 because of a YouTube challenge. Therefore, there were many YouTubes posted with people doing roughly the same routine but some of their own techniques and adding to it. That means when you look on the YouTube, you see many different routines. What I've done is taken the 6 most common that you'll see, and those are 6 routines each with 4 beats of music. Something to know is the music is very fast and has a fast beat. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's what you hear throughout the music. Now then, you have to dance on the beats of the music. So you're dancing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the first of 4 of those routines, in between each routine, you need to very rapidly switch your feet. And you have to do that between beats 4 and 1. So what I'd like you to do, in order to keep up and help you with the switching of your feet, I want you to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that throughout the song. Don't stop saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now then, after those first 4 routines, you're going to head off to the right and turn to the left. And when you get there, you need to come back. Now, you start with a tap with your left foot and then step with your left foot to come back. This is very similar to electric slide and bachata, but there you take 3 steps and tap. This one is the reverse. You tap and then take 3 steps. Very important to remember that. So, in order to help you with that count, what I'd like you to do is when you get to the end of the 4th, it's going to be and tap 2, 3, 4 and tap 2, 3, 4. Because you will have gone to the left and now you will have come back almost where you started, and your weight will once again be back on your right foot because you're going to start to tap with your left. So that brings me to the routine. You begin, weight on your right foot, left foot taps 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you must switch your feet rapidly on 4 and then immediately begin to tap with your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you must rapidly change your feet and shuffle left, right, left, right. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. You're back on this left foot. And now what you have to do is called a lunge. What's going to happen is your right foot's going to come back on the and as your left foot goes forward, lands and starts to turn to the left. Because as you go to the right, you're going to turn left. So you've landed and 1. And now 2, 3, 4. You've gone off to the right. You now need to come back 4 steps to the left, which is tap, 2, 3, 4. From there, you head backwards with your right foot by going tap and then heading back with your right foot, 2, 3, 4. You will end up back on your right foot, ready to start to tap and start all over again. Now then, there are lots of different methods of doing this. To do your left foot, you have several options. One of which is simply to put pressure down on the ball of your foot, take your left hip and do a hip check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rapidly switch your feet. Now your right hip goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can assure you, you will not see me do that. The next one is to take the heel of your foot and tap that. 1, 2, 3, 4. The most common is to take the ball of your foot and then tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whether your heel comes down and touches the floor, entirely up to you. These are all things that you can do for yourself. So there you go. There's a rough introduction to Jerusalema. And the next thing I'll do is I'll show you the footwork and the sequence.